Hi everyone, this is Miha from Miha Hope Wellness Institute and Bernard in Miha Fitness Studio. Today I'm gonna teach you a very simple recipe that you can use for breakfast or you can use it as a healthy treat. So all you need, we're gonna start with some 1 cup of Greek yogurt. I use the non-fat plain. This is my preference, but you can use full fat. I like this one because it has 17 grams of protein, it's low in sugar still. And yeah, just one ingredient, the pasteurized skim milk, and then it's full of live and active cultures, great probiotics for your gut. The second ingredient we're gonna use is the collagen peptides. This is from Farther Foods, is a chocolate one, which I love, and it's good for skin, hair, nails, gut, and joint support. So it gives you also a nice boost of protein, so 8 grams for just a tiny scoop. I'm going to use 1 cup of organic blueberries. These are antioxidants, low in sugar. They are great for fighting the free radicals in your body, and they just help you overall with your health, okay? They're one of the best foods on the planet. I'm also going to use 1 organic nectarine. I love using fruits in season, so I'm going to chop it small and put it in there. And my favorite thing, cinnamon powder. I use it very often. Cinnamon powder is great, it's an antioxidant and also stabilizes your blood sugar. Okay, so let's go wash those fruits and meet me soon, okay? And we are back. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take the 1 cup of yogurt or 3/4, whichever you prefer. We're gonna add the 1 tablespoon of collagen and also some cinnamon. And all you have to do, mix this well together so we dissolve all the powder in, okay? Take your time. You can also add a little bit of almond milk or maybe even a little bit of water if you don't use any of that to make it more creamy, more soft if you feel like it's too thick for you. Some people don't like certain consistencies, so feel free to improvise. Okay, so we're just gonna mix these. Okay. Okay. So now we're gonna add the nectarine. We're gonna also add the blueberries. Okay. And just mix. If you like, you can add some extra cinnamon. Okay. And just enjoy. This is such a delicious breakfast or treat. It's so filling. It's gonna keep you full for a few good hours because of the high amount of protein that you have in yogurt and collagen. And it will satisfy your sweet tooth, like the nectarines are sweet, the blueberries are low in sugar, but they are such a great addition. So if you like, you can also add some chopped walnuts or a tablespoon of peanut butter. For me, this is enough right now. Okay, so this is how it looks. It's really delicious. It tastes really good. And it's a healthy breakfast or a healthy treat for you.